Hi Gemini, Libra and Aquarius. Welcome back to my place as Seychelles Speaks Messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot. Sending you love all the way from India, Bharat, Namaste. Let's start with the reading, okay? There's going to be something that is connected with this particular energy, and the name may be starting with letter P. It just came through, okay? We're going to go in the reading because these three cards kind of giving me the message. I may put that back, okay? Follow on Instagram SSHELLS Shells Running. If I'm repeating it, all right, fine. So the message that is coming for you is like that. Something is connected with letter P here, okay? Now this may be name of someone specific. This is the person who is connected with you for a while, and you feel this connection, okay? And this is something opt. And this is something amicable possible, which is, I suppose that means friendly, right? There is something that may come true in nature, friendly. With the P does come promise. Maybe P is also telling someone who is going to be very punctual or is punctual because they promise you and then they are on time. With Nine of Cups energy, I do feel, this is bottom vibe, okay? Bottom of the deck energy. Something is going to be, I apologize. Something is going to be fulfilled. Something that was promised back then or was promised in these days, because I feel like this is also like day-to-day kind of energy, and something is hidden underneath. Okay, this is something to win. Okay, that kind of energy is coming with P, promise, or someone's name starts with P, initial. There may be certain sign, Pisces, okay, possible, not for everyone though. Yes, P, okay, P. Hello P. This may be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy as well. Now, I think someone is going to contact you here for some or the other reason, okay? They may have something inside to tell you, okay? This is also someone who is guarding, protecting promise, or promise that will be fulfilled. That's how it is coming. With the Justice, there's going to be no more ignorance of certain matter. With the Justice, there's Libra and just situation as well. Some of you might be dealing with this Libra, okay? This is also the desire or the promise or something that was left back is going to come true here. Okay. Fine. So they're asking me to keep these cards, three cards, away. I think like they're telling me to take this reading in the second reading. Like after this, I'm going to record again for Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and they're saying like take those cards in that reading. I don't know how it is coming. Well, you may be dealing with here Virgo. Remember, three cards are out from this deck and they are there resting. Okay, let's see. I do ask for the calling, so let me see what's coming for you. Oh, look, King of Cups. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. And this is also something, maybe they are stopping themselves. If this is just about particular energy here, they're stopping themselves for whatever reason, or they hardly communicate with you, or they do not communicate with you, or you are not doing it because people are at cross. For some cases, this may be the star. So the star is the Aquarius. But apart from this energy, I feel something is going to be fulfilled. Desire, connected with this connection. It is about direction. I see here some kind of union, but maybe this is about, oh hi, how have you been kind of energy. Not exactly love deal, but maybe this situation does involve that confusion of a love deal. This promise is also about, I'm going to meet you, okay? So this may be lingering on here for a while, but I do feel like something that you wanted. I can see the confidence. I can see that vibe of like, okay, here they come kind of energy is coming definitely. Okay, can you give us the flip here? Okay. Yeah, you people are not talking, and it's just not about not talking. It's like I am getting this vibe of like least interested. Maybe you are least interested in right now in this situation to get involved in because you have a lot of stuff. I also feel if this is about this person specific, they have their own self arguments, self decisions, self versus self dissatisfied or dissatisfaction zone, I feel. But I also see like if this is with certain someone, you feel the connection inside and you don't know what is happening here, they may connect with you in the coming time on a more proper ground or level or mutual base. But I see like this is something, please ignore the sounds. Be back. I apologize. So we were on Five of Wands, okay, and I feel like this is this person's energy of self-questioning, okay? Maybe I'm not being able to get that word. This is something, it's of no use to fight or to kindly, kind of like to wait for this person. That's what they're trying to say. They're conveying that that with this card it's coming like the energy of like it's like a hindrance in your growth because there is kind of like competition I see, but again there is nothing that you should do competition for. Not now. Okay, not now. Maybe it's very straightforward because I don't sugarcoat. I'm going to try my level best to use better words. I do because that's my way of conveying. But can I take the word of like, why are you wasting your energy when you are on the growth version? And if still it is the weight and I feel the soulmate connection, watch what they do, because I feel it's their own struggle mode right now, okay? And it's also, don't fight for this. Don't fight for this. Maybe that's an advice. Oh, we are going to see what is coming. Oh, we are going to look. There's judgment at the bottom. Kind of energy when they're trying to say, oh my God. Oh, we'll see. We'll see what you'll see. Oh my God. Oh, am you. I always want to say, oh, am you. Look. You hardly communicate with this person. Okay? If this is the one, you being having the challenge, or the person self is going through certain kind of challenge. I mean, this card is telling you that if it is supposed to, obviously, if it is supposed to, this is gonna come. But Nine of Cups energy is telling me it's all about me. Like, it's all about you. If I say to you, Gemini, Libra, it's all about you. If you are already with your person here, married, live-in, long-term talks and everything, and no pauses, you communicate well, and then you are having certain issue, which may be something that certain things that you disagree with them, certain things, okay? So this may be about marriages, long-term relationships, or something like that. But with Four of Wands energy, yes, if you feel this connection, it is certain kind of soul lesson, soul connection here. Soulmates may be your friends, lover, anyone. Like, they come in different forms, and I'm not going to go in that deep, right? You all know that. But with this, something might be right now at home which you feel is not right. If this is at home, if this is with the person, someone is going to try to fulfill their promise. What's with the P? What's with the P? Ooh. What's with the P? And I said in the startup, this is a promise, protection, Pisces. and you have Queen of Cups energy. So Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and Pisces is prominent as well because we picked up P, right? Maybe someone is polishing themselves. OMG. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. There's this connection coming from your past energy, past vibe. Whoa. Okay. This person is understanding themselves and their feelings right now. If this is the phase between you both and you haven't done any kind of like expression here, then this is with the person who is looking forward to take this challenge on, and they may end up talking to you in the future. We're going to see what is up. Remember, these three cards are out, and I will tell you exactly because I'm going to take this in the next reading. Okay, remember that. This is Six of Cups energy, Five of Pentacles, and the Justice I showed you. Okay, so there's going to be something connected with the past matter wherein you may end up having justified situation connected with conversation or something. But in your present mode, it's of no use arguing because nothing can be done because something is not stabilized in their life or yours. And if it is just about this person, they are not stabilized because of something connected with their own home. They might be searching for a home, they may be shifting. Maybe it is connected with their financial stability, okay? Workload, I see workload, because they want to celebrate something in future possible with you. The problem here is like, look, they are holding something very close to their heart. And I do feel that that's what their struggle is all about. Some of you might be dealing with the Leo, Scorpio, Taurus, Aquarius, like you, okay? Some of you, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, you might be dealing with the situation of settling issues with work, or settling at, in your home city or hometown where you've been living for quite long. And I feel if you're not settled here, like you're somewhere working and all that stuff, you're looking forward to have a new beginning somewhere in work or something that will provide you more stability here. This may be again, protection for yourself. This is also financial security, okay? I also see kind of like energy, someone who is not agreeing or who don't agree with you. That may be certain issues, but small, tiny, not a big issue, and that can be resolved with all Page of Cups, love and honor. Some of you might be having this kind of friendship, but is not on a kind of like a lotus, but this is just something that is underneath right now. This may be again Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. There may be age differences, if there is any. There may be someone who's connected. Maybe you're a mother, maybe you're a father, okay? And then you have a child who is quite emotional and you are very concerned and protective. Maybe their name starts with P, doesn't matter gender, male or female, however it fits you for some cases. Now again, I feel this person is telling you belong with me kind of energy. Again, they're telling me to take these readings further in future and take out cards, because that's what is happening. Vibes are going to change a lot, and the way I've changed the place. I've been seeking this place for quite a bit, okay? I know it's in my home, but I did the readings when I trimmed my hair. Actually, not just trimmed, I did like the cut of hair last year, like here, and they were quite short. Now they're like kind of like here, okay? It's all tied up though. That's not the point here of mentioning, but why I'm doing it, because I used to do readings here, the same spot kind of, okay? Because I like the light that is coming, and there is just natural light that is coming. There's no tube light of the room, okay? That's what I love. So this time is also very nice. Sometimes you're going to hear chirpings of bird nearby, because that's my trees and all that. Swing is there. So I see like this person is holding feelings for you, okay? And I won't mention because I should, because feelings should be conveyed here in the reading always. It's not necessary, okay? My readings are going to capture all areas of your life. because you people are really working for something here in order to stabilize something. Now, in order to stabilize means possible some of you are planning to buy home, buy your own home, property, okay? Or maybe you're just looking for that and you're almost done with that, okay? This may be connected with certain kind of pricing and all that matter, like market price and all that concept is also here. I see your, whatever this connection is, if this is a love matter here, of course, there are so many cups and all that energy. I see with the Page of Cups, this person is looking forward, but I feel very strong. They're protecting their feelings and they're keeping that promise to self for now in order to convey you in the long run. You also have Three of Wands energy. There may be long distance relationship, I feel, but they're looking forward to convey you something which you may end up hearing in coming 3 or 4 weeks, okay? You may start something with this person on a whole new level in January 2022. But look, wow, Three of Wands energy and Four of Cups energy. Someone is remembering, or someone is remembering to offer you something because they hold this for you. Knight of Swords energy, this may come out of the blues while you're on the go, okay? Now here, I see your energy, content, okay? You're content, you're emotionally content, like no expectation kind of energy, okay? Going with the flow, of course, and as if you are aware already. It's also you settle most of your things or issues in at home with people you love, okay, with family members, with friends, or at work. Your nature is kind of like, let's not argue, let's settle this with cordial talk or something, okay? Your main motto is let's talk kind of energy, okay? We're going to see more. You have Four of Wands energy. Wow, I see, like, okay, fine, there's going to be very fruitful, rejuvenated talk. Let's talk. Ace of Cups energy, there's going to be certain positive welcoming in your life, okay? And love is going to find you. You're going to be more loved at home, more appreciated at home. Maybe this is also you're going to get appreciated at work. Ace of Cups is like someone is going to be very calm and aligned towards you. They're going to be more loving towards you. Your energy is that you'll get full support. The only issue is there's going to be this settling issue, okay, which is going to happen because this is not something major. You're going to make it work, okay? Someone, whoever this person is, fighting for this connection, fighting for self, you know, understanding, kind of like acknowledging, I do want, okay, answers. They're going to figure that out and they're going to approach with Four of Wands energy with reunion. They're going to tell you, okay, I was mess, I was confused, I couldn't handle because I was settling myself, okay? But someone, you're going to get good news about something, okay? Work or love. Look, the moon, there may be Piscean. I feel that someone gonna tell exactly what they feel, okay? Now going to see from Romance Angels. There's forgiving and learning coming. What's that card? Getting to know each other. Look, this card does want to come out. I can see a little bit of vibrations in this card. I cannot explain you exactly how, but I felt as if people are moving, okay? Like people are moving, especially this girl, this female over here. And someone is seeking kind of like your attention. Someone who might seek with all love and honor, talking to your mother, or you may be the mother or father, however this fits you, okay? Don't fight this, right? The way you said and all that, okay? But this energy as in like getting to know each other is quite vibrant in your life, which I like, okay? As you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. So this may be new love entering in your life for some cases. Not everyone is dealing with past matters, nor do I want them to deal with, because there should be expansion, there should be new things entering, okay? So you are going to be content here and loving and living your life, not fighting anymore, and making peace with a lot of stuff here. With this, getting to know each other, this is about peekaboo in your future, wherein you are going to find love of your life, especially with Four of Wands energy, 11-11, Ace of Cups, love offer is coming, and you're going to know this person on a whole new level. Depends what is going to happen and who you are going to meet, because you are forgiving and learning, as I said, as you release and heal the past to experience more love in your present moments. Wow. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. I apologize. This, I just stop and say trust, because you have this trust card and something is going to be very soon here. Trust. The situation is calling for you to have faith. Someone you're going to meet, and very soon. Clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. Alright, I'm off now. Bye. See you soon. Take care. Oh.